Just welcome everybody wherever you are from the world, irrespective at your location at this particular point. Welcome to How to Trade. This is How to Trade 4. We have been formidable, we have been amazing with our analysis. Check out our previous videos and you see how amazing our analysis have been. We have predicted gold from 290 zone and gold is now around the 3400 zone. We predicted USGPY from where it was at 55 zone and it has hit the 39 zone area as we have hit. Check it out now. It is insane, it is amazing. If you are new to this channel, subscribe so that you will not miss this amazing setups whenever I upload them. So without wasting of time, let's go to what today we will begin with gold as usual. We'll begin with gold. So we're going to begin with gold as usual. So gold has been on a very powerful uptrend move. There is no reversal confirmation patterns for gold at this particular point. But you know the first rule of trading. So far there is no confirmation of a reversal pattern. Gold is the uptrend is valid. So the same case for gold. With my prediction and analysis on gold, I see expect further move to the upside if reversal pattern does not occur. But before then, there is a amazing entry where I will show you here. This is it here. I will indicate you and show you amazing entry on this gold movement. So for gold, this immediate pattern where it has broken, gold has broken this important pattern here. So I am so much counting on this particular zone. There can be a retest of this particular area. So there will be a retest of this particular area. There will be a retest of this trend line that has been broken. A retest can occur to push gold further outside, and if the retest occurs, then target zone is the zone. It is zone here, this zone here. So this is the next target zone of gold. This is the next target goal of the zone. Zone is highly probable to hit here. That is if the retest occur, either retest occur at that particular point. But if there is no retail if there is no pullback, that is a correction at this particular point, we further observe gold to push to the upside. But there has been a very strong movement to the upside, and breaking this powerful support zone, gold can have some strong retest, and that end of retest, the greatest move of the retest will be at this particular point here. This is the greatest zone. So this is a zone where gold, if it is to retest, it has to retest and stop around this area, this particular area here. So that is the maximum limit of the retest zone. So that is it. So for now, so for now, because there is no reversal confirmation, gold is to the upside. So for trading trading advice, I would advise to look for trading opportunities to the upside. Look for trading opportunities for the upside. Take off escaping use opportunities whenever you see, if those patterns are not broken. So gold can further move up far above again, even beyond our imagination. If you see a clear move, it has been on a very important move to the upside. So we see expect a further move to the upside. If this is making so much sense, comment in the section below. Let me know it's making some sense to you. So this is it on gold. This is it on gold. Is true with this type of analysis, you cannot get it elsewhere. But I am here to document everything and demystify the forex market for you to be profitable. And good news, I am coming with a very powerful book, a powerful documentation is going to be online, advanced gold strategies, so you understand and master everything concerning gold trading. So let me know this is making so much sense right in the background. And let me take the second expert here. I love trading the gold and the Japanese yen. So this is US Japanese yen. So the US Japanese yen, amazing swing, guys. We predicted this from the upper strength here when it was at this particular point. See how massive profit we have made. Massive move to the end to the downside. Massive move to the downside. Insane profit from the 55 zone. When I was making the last video, we predicted a goal around this area. That was about the 51 area zone. This process was hit, and I highly recommended at this particular zone that we should add some more, that we should stack in more, that we should scale in. For those of you who were familiar, or those of you who knew my channel, I know this made you some money. But if you're still new to my channel, it's never late. Market can never close. We are going to keep making the money because of the market can never close, and the market can never also stop working. So this is how the move did not just come like that. It was from the upper side. So we observe the move from this particular point here. So the move was at this particular point. From this particular point, the rejection candlestick that occurred, we observe further powerful move to the downside. And at this particular point where there was a correction, that is where I recommended for a further scaling. So what is the next move on this market? The next move on this market would be at this particular point here. Let me bring it down here so everybody can see. So at this particular point here where we have this strong demand zone, if you bring in the demand zone at the down part here, let me scale in so everybody can see. So if you bring it at this particular point here, this is strong demand zone here. This demand zone, once this demand zone is not broken, we but before this demand zone, I highly recommend that there would be at least a retest. There is some pullback. There are going to be some pullback to the upside, and that pullback can be massive because if the pullback, if the correction is very massive, it may reverse and hit back the nearest resistance zone, which is up. But for now, one thing sure is that there must be at least a correction. The market is going to play out here. We are going to have some market move here. Let me see. So if I scale in the zone very well at this particular zone here, so at this particular zone here, we are going to have this. So this is how the move is going to be. So this particular zone, the market can never break this demand zone like that because it is a very important demand zone, a demand area where many buyers are willing to massively enter the trade at this particular point. So there will be some massive move to the upside here, and if that occurs, it can affect the gold movement a lot as well. So I here this pullback, the first move of this strong pullback zone will be here. The first move will be at this particular point. So I highly recommend that at that particular point we will short the market, to this zone. So we short the market to this zone. That's the first aspect. So once that is being done, if there is we short the market from this zone, and after that we will greatly expect the market to greatly reverse at this particular point to the downside. So from there we expect this, and if that does not occur, we see further expect some move again to the upside. So we can observe a move from here. So we will have some move here at this particular point. Let me try to bring it out so that it can be clearer. So we will bring a market to this particular point. So it means that if this move occurs here, we can also have another move here, and once that move is done, then the market move that we expect from here, it can drop. From here, the market will drop. And if it fails to drop at this particular point, the market fails to, price action strategy is a very powerful and a tremendous strategy. So if the market fails to move to the downside at that particular point, so from there we will have something of this nature to the nearest upside here. So that is my stand for this strategy, and for that we will have back we are going to have this and that can be tested. But from here, if this demand zone area, once it's true that is a man zone area will be tested and it will play out, but after it will play out, if it is broken, guys, massive movement to the downside. So that is it. That is a strategy. That is what that is it. That is a move that is happening now, right now, on the US Japanese yen. US Japanese yen. I know this is making so much sense. This is making so much sense. Write down your question. Let me understand where you are lost. I will reply all to your questions in the comment section. So write everything down. Now, this is it here on a clearer picture. This is it. So this is a move. Stay tuned and continue to be profitable. So that's it. That is it. That is it. That is a move for the upcoming weeks, for the upcoming months, for the upcoming days. Stay tuned and continue to be a profitable trader. Ciao.